But when a pregnant woman gets the COVID-19, there is evidence which suggests that the women are at a higher risk of getting a slightly more severe infection of the same virus.
Hello all beautiful moms and moms to be. मेरा नाम डॉक्टर फरहान है and I welcome you to this series of Prega Talk brought to you by PregaMed. लोग कहते हैं और मेरा मानना है कि माँ के कदमों के नीचे जन्नत होती है, पर एक औरत जिस दर्द से गुजरती है एक बच्चे को जन्म देने के लिए, हम कई बार उस चीज़ को नज़रअंदाज कर देते हैं. इस प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू ये वीडियोस दुनिया की उन तमाम औरतों के लिए है जो या तो माँ बनने का सफ़र तय कर रहे हैं या फिर एक बहुत खूबसूरत से बच्चे को जन्म दिया है. आज हमारे साथ जो इंसान है वो बहुत लंबे समय तक यही काम कर रही हैं, बोथ मेडिकली और सोशली. मेडिकली बिकॉज शी इज़ अ मेडिकल डॉक्टर और सोशली बाय एम्पावरिंग पेशेंट्स टू टेक केयर ऑफ देयर ओन हेल्थ, टेक चार्ज ऑफ देयर ओन हेल्थ. Today we have with us Dr. Sachi. She is an obstetrician and gynecologist in Medcare Hospital, Dubai. इससे पहले इन्होंने 3 साल यूके में काम किया, वहाँ पे अपने फेलोशिप कंप्लीट की और इन्होंने अपनी मेडिकल की पढ़ाई अहमदाबाद इंडिया से की है. आज का हमारा टॉपिक है कोरोना वायरस और प्रेगनेंसी. कैसे कोरोना वायरस प्रेगनेंसी में इम्पैक्ट करता है, प्रेग्नेंट फीमेल्स पे इसका क्या असर पड़ता है, वैक्सीन कैसे आप ले सकते हैं, क्या सही तरीका है. तो ये सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन हम जानेंगे डॉक्टर सांची से. विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच टाइम, लेट्स वेलकम हर टू द प्लेटफॉर्म. Okay, so I would like to welcome you, Dr. Sachi, to our platform, Prega Talk. And since this is the first series of Prega Talk, and अभी हर जगह पे कोविड की बातें चल रही हैं throughout the world, and mostly अभी दो साल से almost entire country is in lockdown, and entire world is going through this lockdown phase. So everybody knows about this COVID है क्या हो रहा है, but the specific topic that we are going to take today is ये COVID actually pregnant females को कैसे impact कर रहा है. So this is what we are going to discuss today in specific to pregnant females कि अगर वो pregnant if they are planning their family तो COVID उन पे कैसे impact करेगा, जो भी medication या फिर vaccination है will that impact their pregnancy or not. तो let's talk about around pregnancy कि exactly pregnancy में कैसे COVID effect कर रहा है. So over to you.
Thanks, Farhan. Thanks for having me. And बस अभी start करते by first I want to address all my listeners कि I know pregnancy, planning a baby and everything, it's a phase which is associated with a lot of anxiety, uncertainty. There's already a lot of pressure. And unfortunately, abhi, with these strange times, with this pandemic, it's even building pressure on the couple, on the whole family as a whole. So let's hope हमारा आज का जो podcast है, it helps to dispel some myths and just, brings back the joy which is involved in expecting a child.
Yes.
So I just want to begin by reassuring the pregnant women and their families or the couples that are planning a pregnancy that the government, the healthcare system, everyone is doing whatever they can, best possible in their hand to give them an excellent birth experience, which is something which is meant to be a very special phase in a couple's life. So let's begin with that positive note. Okay? Now let's talk firstly a little bit more about what the coronavirus situation and how it affects a pregnant woman. As we're all aware, abhi har jagah news mein and everywhere, everyone's just talking about the pandemic. So everyone knows what the virus is, but how it affects a pregnant woman is what we call as a twofold question. Uske do part hai. देखिए, pregnant women are generally at the same risk of acquiring the infection like a non-pregnant person.
Okay.
But when a pregnant woman gets the COVID-19, there is evidence which suggests that the women are at a higher risk of getting a slightly more severe infection of the same virus.
Okay. So
okay.
Sorry to cut you, but अगर एक common man है और एक pregnant female है, तो pregnant female ज़्यादा susceptible है इस COVID vaccine, मतलब COVID कोरोना वायरस से affect होने में.
नहीं. Just to clarify, susceptibility दोनों की same है, me or a pregnant woman.
Okay.
But if a pregnant woman or if I'm pregnant and I get the virus,
Okay.
then my risk of complications is more.
Okay, ठीक है.
ठीक है, तो we'll discuss all of that. उसमें डरने की बिल्कुल कोई बात नहीं है. It is just to spread the message to our pregnant women or couples that are planning कि थोड़े और precautions ले लीजिए other than everyone else. ठीक है. Now getting back to how you should go ahead when you are planning for a baby or preconception counseling जो हम बोल रहे हैं. ठीक है. We'll have another separate podcast of what it generally involves. But specifically with this times, I want to reiterate कि vaccination एकदम safe है if you're planning for a baby. Okay? And this is not something मैं ऐसे ही बोल रही हूँ. Research है, studies है to back it up कि fertility बिल्कुल affect नहीं होती है. Both the male and the female. Okay. There is no effect on fertility. Okay.
So this would be valid for both the couple who are conceiving naturally and जो IVF के through भी जा रहे हैं, तो दोनों के लिए ऐसा कोई complication नहीं. Okay, ठीक है.
बिल्कुल कॉम्प्लिकेशन नहीं है. वेरी ट्रू, वेरी ट्रू. सो प्लीज गो अहेड एंड गेट वैक्सीनेटेड, क्योंकि अगर आपका वैक्सीनेशन हो गया है और फिर प्रेग्नेंट हुए आप, तो यू आर मोर प्रोटेक्टेड फ्रॉम द वायरस. ठीक है, तो उसके कॉम्प्लिकेशंस कम होंगे. कमिंग टू प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन नाउ, अभी तक हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने, इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया है to allow pregnant women to get vaccinated. Okay. I'll tell you the main reason why. Okay. जो इनिशियल स्टडीज हुई थी जब ये वैक्सीन बन रहे थे, वो एक कोहोर्ट ऑफ पेशेंट्स पे हुई थी, अराउंड क्वाइट अ फ्यू नंबर ऑफ पेशेंट्स, पर उसमें प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन वर नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन दो स्टडीज बिकॉज ऑफ एथिकल रीजंस. नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है, तो वो ओरिजिनल रिसर्च में नहीं थे प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन, एंड दैट्स व्हाई टिल नाउ our government has not approved it for pregnant women, but we can see in the coming months it is going to. Okay. Why? Because the rest of the world, United States, United Kingdom, and in Europe, the vaccination has been deemed to be safe for pregnant women, and they can take it if they want to take it. Okay. It is not a compulsion, पर अगर लेना है तो ले सकते हैं. It's about a discussion between you and your gynecologist about the risks versus benefits. Okay. But as of now, till this date, when we are recording the podcast, Indian government has not yet approved it for pregnant women.
Okay. So just wanted to ask two more questions. तो आपने जैसे बोला कि अगर कोई कंसीव करने का प्लान कर रहा है या फिर कोई फैमिली प्लान कर रहा है, तो इट्स सेफ टू गो फॉर, अगर आपने वैक्सीनेशन ले लिया तो इट्स सेफ, यू आर ऑन अ सेफर साइड. तो जैसा हम जानते हैं कि देयर आर 2 shots given to patient who want sheep or vaccinated against COVID. तो जो is it possible कि अगर आपने 1 shot लिया है तो भी you are safe, or is it like कि पूरा complete दोनों shot लेने के बाद you are on safer side? First thing. And the second thing you said कि अगर आप you are trying to get vaccinated, you should consult a gynecologist before that, right? So is there any kind of complication also कि अगर आपने vaccination ले लिया तो there can be a certain kind of complication also? Is that also possible?
Okay. Both excellent questions, Farhan. Now, just to address the first one, देखिए, आपने एक ideal is कि 2 vaccines दोनों shot हो जाए. ठीक है, that is ideal. That gives the maximum protection as per all studies. But even one vaccination is giving up to 50% protection. Okay. So वो भी ठीक है. Okay. Why a scenario might come where you can get only one vaccination? For example, you take a vaccine and then you get pregnant. So abhi tak pregnant women ke liye it's not been approved, so you might not be able to get the second shot. Okay. Certain places they are advising कि second trimester, yani after first 3 months of pregnancy, they are giving vaccine. But still in India, they would tell you to take the vaccine after you deliver when you're breastfeeding. क्योंकि breastfeeding में बिल्कुल safe है vaccination. Okay. So just to repeat my message, जो भी couple they are trying for a baby, safe to take. Once you deliver your baby और आप breastfeed कर रहे हैं, तब भी it is completely safe to take the vaccine because it does not cause the coronavirus to you. Okay, none of the vaccines cause the virus, and you cannot transmit it to your baby even through the breast milk. Okay. You will actually transmit antibodies to the baby, so your baby will actually get protection from the coronavirus if you take the vaccine.
Okay, ठीक है. अगर किसी ने कंसीव कर लिया है and if they come across like अगर if they are COVID positive, then what is the scenario?
Okay, very brilliant question again, very valid to our times right now. If COVID positive निकले आप, nothing to worry at all. ठीक है, पहली चीज है follow all the government guidelines, please. So self-isolation या home quarantine, plenty of fluids, hydration is extremely essential. देखिए सर्दी खांसी सबको होती रहती है. In a way, treatment is similar, but the only dangerous thing about this virus is that it is highly infective. Okay? Good thing, you cannot transmit the virus to your baby through your womb. तो internally नहीं transmit होता है. ठीक है? बिल्कुल safe है. अभी तक की सारी studies में कोई भी ऐसा केस नहीं है कि a pregnant mother has transmitted the virus to her baby. Okay?
Even though they are feeding their baby.
Even postpartum breastfeeding through the breast milk नहीं जाता है. Yes, contact के कारण जा सकता है. So if you've been tested positive post delivery जब आप breastfeed कर रहे हैं तो please follow all the precautions. Hand washing, make sure you try and minimize exposure of the baby to you, or when you're with the baby and breastfeeding, please put on a mask. All those routine precautions that we would recommend anyone, but it is essential to continue breastfeeding because the advantages of breastfeeding are so much more compared to anything else. जो antibodies और immunity आपको baby को मिलेगी through your breast milk, वो किसी और चीज से नहीं मिलती है. तो precautions लीजिए पर continue breastfeeding. एक और option है, lot of new mothers would have heard of this, pumping of breast milk. We can even touch on that topic at a later time कि कैसे pump करना है and what it involves. But that is an option if you're very worried about exposing your baby. You can pump your own breast milk and someone else who helps you can feed the baby.
Okay, ठीक है. There was a viewer and audience जिन्होंने ये क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि अगर जो भी एक वैक्सीन डेवलप करने के लिए there are certain protocols, right? And it takes a lot of time. बट जिस सिचुएशन में ये कोविड आया है, जितनी जल्दी से सारे वैक्सीन डेवलप हुए, सो शी वाज वरीड कि व्हाट इज द ऑथेंटिसिटी ऑफ दिस वैक्सीन. मतलब आप कैसे कह सकते हैं कि दिस वैक्सीन वुड बी गोइंग थ्रू ऑल द टेस्ट एंड ट्रायल, मतलब इज दैट ऑथेंटिक? वाज दैट हर क्वेश्चन?
That is also a very valid question, Farhan, and thanks for asking that. Uske liye we'll share a couple of evidences and reports also along with, if anyone wants to go through it. But I want to reassure them that lots of research and lots of human-based trials have gone through with this. ठीक है? Yes, ये pandemic अभी भी evolving है. रोज नया evidence आ रहा है, रोज नई studies हो रही है. पर so far, medical science has definitely advanced, and hence a lot of effort and money has gone into developing this virus because it is probably our only way out of this pandemic, right? So I want to reassure all our listeners that definitely it is the safest way out we have right now. And ऐसे ही किसी की whims or fancies पे नहीं बनाई है vaccine. Human trials have been conducted in large numbers, and there is good documentation for that, which we will share after this if anyone wants to go through. But it is definitely the safest way out right now. And I'm sure you've been vaccinated, Farhan. So have I. Speak to anyone else who's been vaccinated. I think that fear and anxiety around vaccination is true. तो अगर किसी को भी डर है, speak to anyone who's been vaccinated. I'm open to have a chat with anyone who wants to have a chat, find out how they feel and get to know more about it. But please believe in the facts and just don't go by any myths or any rumors that are being spread.
Okay. And there's also, there's also a concept around pregnancy that anyone who's pregnant should undergo antenatal care treatment, right? So that any complication can be avoided. So is this antenatal care treatment also plays a part for the, especially in the COVID scenario, or is it just simple कि वो pregnancy में काम आने वाला?
नहीं, please keep all your appointments. It's very important that pregnant patients, उनकी जो regular scanning है और कोई appointments we've turned to virtual now. A lot of clinics will be offering that, in which जो in person नहीं देखने की जरूरत, but it can also help a doctor triage your risk. आपके symptoms क्या है, आपको COVID का risk क्या है, वो सब भी साथ में आपकी gynecologist assess कर सकती है. But extremely essential कि आपके baby का growth और सब monitor हो through regular clinic appointments. So please keep that.
Okay. Is there anything else that you would like to tell our listener exactly in terms of COVID? मतलब क्या precaution उनको लेना चाहिए या what exactly should they keep in mind, especially considering कि जब वो family plan कर रहे हैं?
Okay. So we'll just summarize with our take home messages. ठीक है? So work on building your immune system. right?
Okay.
If you're planning a baby or if you're pregnant, you want to be the healthiest version of yourself, right? So nourish your body, extremely essential to have apna balanced diet. Our Indian meal actually is the perfect, a healthy balanced diet. If we look at our Indian thali, theek hai? So please continue having healthy balanced diet. Extremely important for people who are planning to start folic acid supplements. उसके साथ साथ vitamin D is shown to be a protective role, तो वो भी start कर दीजिए, ठीक है? You can increase your zinc intake when you're planning a baby. If you want to just go for natural sources, fruits and vegetables are extremely rich in all these minerals.
Okay.
So keep up on that. And last but not the least, exercise.
Okay. And anything to
Exercise
avoid?
not only, anything to avoid? Yes, please avoid crowded places. It is not essential to go for shopping when it's peak hours. So if you really need to get out, shopping karne jana hi hai, to select hours in which you know it's not going to be very busy.
Okay.
ठीक है. Secondly, if you can shift to whatever, ask someone else to go and do all of that for you, please do that. Hand washing. Hand washing is not just plain hand washing. Soap and water or alcohol-based rubs, and at least for 20 seconds. So that's like singing the happy birthday song twice.
Okay.
उतने duration के लिए hand wash कीजिए,
Okay.
ठीक है? And बाकी, if you have any symptoms, anything you're worried about, please get in touch with your healthcare provider. Okay?
Okay. So next time we'll be आज जैसे हमने cover किया family plan पे, next time we'll be covering people who are actually in this zone, who are pregnant, and if they have any worries or any questions, so we'll be covering that, and then we'll be doing a podcast जहाँ पे postpartum after delivery क्या precautions क्या ले सकते हैं, so that video short रहे and then message जो भी हम देना चाहते हैं दे सकते हैं, ठीक है? Thank you
Sure,
so much.
Farhan.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sachi, for joining us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
अगर आज का हमारा ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया या किसी भी तरीके से आपके लिए हेल्पफुल था तो डू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल. अगर आपको लगता है कि ये किसी और के लिए हेल्पफुल है तो प्लीज़ उन तक ज़रूर शेयर कीजिएगा. आप अगर चाहते हैं अपनी स्टोरी हम तक शेयर करना या आपको कोई भी डाउट हो, कुछ भी आप या चाहते हैं आप किसी पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक पे एक वीडियो बनाएं, तो आप हमें इंस्टाग्राम और फेसबुक के थ्रू भी जुड़ सकते हैं. अंटिल देन हैव अ सेफ एंड हेल्दी प्रेगनेंसी एंड प्लीज़ अपना ख्याल रखिएगा.